Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to export WhatsApp chats to email. Started, just simply open up your WhatsApp application and then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you have to select this option which is chats, and after selecting your chats, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is chat backup. So in the bottom you can find that option, just tap on it, and before backing up your chats what you have to do is just check few of these options. So the first one is Google account. So just select a Google account that you would like to back up. If you have that Google account in your device, you can simply select that. After selecting, now what you can do is just simply tap on frequency. So now if you would like to record your chat daily, what you can do is to simply do that. You can do it for weekly or for monthly. So I would like to do it for once. So what you can do is just simply tap on only when I tap backup. So after checking that, now what you can do is just simply check these options. So if you would like to include your videos, then what you can do is just simply tap on include videos and then toggle that option on. And you can also turn on your backup user cellular, and after doing all that, what you can do is just simply tap on backup. So it will take the time according to your size. So if you have a large number of files, it might take a while. I don't have such a big file, so it is just taking me a few seconds to complete my process. But if you have a large file, then you might have to wait for a while. And after doing that, now you'll receive the backup chats in your email. So that's it guys, this is how to export WhatsApp chats to email. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.